Welcome to video number 72, and I'm leaving.
Okay. No problem. Okay.
What the hell is that? He's never done that before. He's usually fastening it. Head cave.
Perché ora la prendiamo in esclusiva, la casa.
That was the other agent's sign, and now he has it exclusively.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to look at a independent house. Honestly, stunning location. I mean, wowza, it's pretty here. With a garden, garage, and a driveway, 3 bedrooms. This is beautiful.
La posizione tranquilla,
Fantastic.
vicina.
No, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's run up here and look at it. I think that he's trying to get my steps in today because we didn't do as many steps. I feel like I could drive up here, no problem. I have no idea why we didn't drive up here, but he's the leader of the pack. Leader of the pack, rum. Oh, this is cute. There's a dead palm tree, morta.
Ma speriamo, sì, mi sembra di sì.
I love that he's such a salesman. He's like, no, it's dead. But you could put another one there because it's very cute. Okay.
Macchina si può parcheggiare anche qua.
You can park a car there. Gotta love Italians.
È bello fare 2 passi.
You can park a car there. No problem. I'm there. You can park a car. That's quite the garage. The issue I have is if the garage, you pull in, you have to back all the way down to that, and then you go forward. So there's no pad to turn around. Here's the other thing. Come here. I really take my time and stand and look around me and see what I see. And what I see is a very big electrical tower. I can almost touch it. That is a big electrical, what do you call that? What is
Pylon.
I don't think living that close to a big electrical source is healthy. Now, could you write below and let me know if well, don't let me know if I'm crazy because we all know I am, but let me know what you think about that philosophy. I would never buy anything, even in the United States, near any kind of power plant or, you know, they have these big power towers all over. They just make me super nervous. So look around you, look up, look around, take a minute to go into the house. I mean, you don't have to, there's no rush here. But as far as that garage, I don't know, this is a situation here. So this may have to be reconfigured, I think, for me. Okay, let's go. This door is very bad, okay. All right. I'm going to try to be positive in here, people, because that's what Michael has told me I have to be positive. So, come on in. Interesting.
Hanno iniziato a fare I lavori.
Okay, so they started a renovation and then they said, F it. We're buying an apartment in town. I don't want to deal with this anymore. Or they said, I think the electrical wires are giving us cancer. We have a room. These can be designated as anything. It's a white box. Quanti anni questa casa?
Questa casa circa 80 anni. Avevano iniziato a ristrutturarla perché si dovevano trasferire proprio per venirci a abitare.
Okay.
Poi per motivi di lavoro sono cambiata la situazione
Right.
e si sono fermati.
Okay, got it. So he, for work, he got transferred, and then I love all these stories because I don't believe any of them, but I'm gonna let him go for it. So supposedly he got transferred in the middle of renovating this, and then they just moved, so now they have to sell it. I don't know, maybe that's true. Sounds semi-true, okay. Okay, so this is a nice 80s kitchen. Looks like an 80s television show set. Oh wow, that's a nice bathroom.
Bagno hanno speso per fare questo.
It's a very big bathroom. Oh.
Non c'è luce.
Oh, he's giving you luce. He's giving you light, and it's just blowing up the place, let me tell you. I don't know that I would do a bathroom here. I would really have to think about it. I mean, you could do a half bath and storage here. It's a very big room here, and it really seems weird for a bathroom, doesn't it? And then this is, I think, was the laundry, supposed to be the laundry room. I don't know. I mean, this I would have to really think about. It's a strange space here. Yeah, I mean, they really did start the renovation. I don't really understand the black switchblades on the white walls. Well, they have white ones, but I guess you can find it. You know why they do it? So it doesn't get dirty. Very practical. Looks ugly, but practical. Okay, is there a bathroom up here? Bagno è qua? No.
Qua non c'è, è a metà scala.
Yeah, so it's so crazy. I mean, perché non è qua? You have to go pee in the middle of the night. You fall down the stairs. I mean, it's just craziness. Well, it's really sunny out here now. I can't see anything. You have the most spectacular view of that church. I mean, it is fantastic. It's like a postcard. This tree I would have looked at because this evergreen has been cut at the top. And I think what they did is they cut it so they could see the view. You know, my blink would be to just cut down the tree. Italians hate doing that. But Frank would come up here and he'd be like, yeah, let's get rid of this tree. Because they plant these plants in front of their view. So, I mean, our thing is like, yeah, let's just take that down. And then you have like the perfect view. You don't need this tree here. But, you know, that's a fight with your gardener. This is pazzesco, veramente, no?
Pazzesco, sì.
Okay, so even he thinks this is cuckoo. I mean, I think you could turn this into something cute. I just think that it's not move-in ready, so that's why we're talking about ripping things out because, you know, you couldn't just move in here. You'd have to spend money to live here. I think there are some cute solutions here, though. I do, because I think the view is worth it. The view is great. So I want to see the backyard, though, because that's, to me, is going to be the deal breaker. Because if it's not a good backyard, then maybe not. Maybe it's just weird sitting up here on this little slice of land. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, il giardino.
Questo è il giardino di proprietà.
Deal breaker. I mean, there's like really no garden. It's just up, up, up. That's my opinion. E questo?
Quello è un piccolo fabbricatino, un ricovero per attrezzi per le cose agricole.
So if you wanted to take that and build it out and make it a cute little guest house, you could. What I was thinking is it would make a really cute pool house and you could put a pool in front of it and that would be very, very cute. So that's a possibility as well. So I mean, I guess not deal breaker, but it's just expensive. So it depends. Stephen, please don't fall off of that. Our cameraman is like perched on one leg, you know, jeez. It's quite charming. It has possibilities for sure. If somebody wants to come in and make it their own, as they say in the biz, you know, it's pretty much ready for that. So I would give this property a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Very good. Well done. There are a couple things obviously that need to be addressed, but I think that it's quiet here. I think for a family, this would be a lovely house. For a small family, this would be really great. If you like hiking, you're like in the area of hiking, you're not far away from amenities, but you feel like you're in the countryside. So yeah, this is great. The only downside, and again, you're gonna write below what you think about this. I don't like to buy a house next to any large electrical erector set situation, power plant, any of that, but that might be my own crazy. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us, Federico and Annette, our show, right? This is our show. And we will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gotten this far. We really appreciate it. Thanks and welcome to Italy. Peace.